It's different, 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 it's different. It's different when I'm sitting here alone all by myself. It's different.
I came to attack you with my camera, but it didn't go the way that I needed it to, so we're gonna try it again. Are you vlogging? Yeah. Because it's T-minus 3 days until Caribbean Awareness Week, and I wanted to do you should include that because of Lavana. Yeah, because not the president of People Them Club over here, num and the People Them camera. What are we eating? Go for it. Oh, not everybody's favorite. And it's T-minus 3 days. We will be vlogging every day also. That good. Okay, I kind of like a shark in that. It's okay. My hair don't even look red, so maybe we'll take a couple of clips. Y'all know the vibe. Yeah. Yeah.
You know.
I hope I see soy. Now stop practice. Yeah, go on. Just touched down at the airport. Tracksuit in the airport. Okay, let me run up here. Happy 4th day? Day 4. Okay, we don't wait this week. That's cool. Yeah.
Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. One hop this time. Right foot, 2 stumps. Left foot, 2 stumps. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Crisscross. Crisscross. Cha-cha, real smooth. Let's go to work.
Then it's 7 and 8. Yeah. So it's step and 8. Bring it around. Then it's ukulele, steps and 8.
up, give me the funk. Pick it up, pick it up. Pop the dump, such up, give me the funk. Pop the dump, such up, give me the funk. Pop the dump, such up, give me the funk. Pick it up, pick it up.
There's a fucking chair in the elevator.
In the people in the elevator.
Oh, why?
Not us over here trying to hand out flyers to our function tomorrow and just subjecting ourselves to the. You know who we should have brought? Shy.
How was the day stepping up? We started on Sunday. Day 6.
Last day. Happy last day. I don't know if I can see the skeletons over there. Not for real though. Anyway, so the theme is bashment. I'm about to show y'all everybody's outfit one by one. One by one, so that y'all can see what the vibe was. I think the E-boy really understood the assignment. Yeah.
You hear my song? Yeah.
And then I gotta get over to the other two, but yeah. I should show y'all my outfit too.
Everybody.
Yeah? No. No, it's okay. Don't worry yourself. Not big 3.
They have a 3 series.
Oh God. You okay, Leah? Woo, 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 woo.